Opening a business bank account has always been a chore. You fill out forms, upload documents, wait for emails, toggle between dashboards, and that's before you even get to KYC verification. But what if your AI agent could handle the entire process for you? Meow is a fintech platform that offers business checking, corporate cards, payments, invoicing, and treasury, all with zero wire fees, zero ACH fees, and no monthly account fees. And now, with Meow's MCP server, you can open and manage your entire bank account through an AI agent. In this video, we'll walk you through the full process using Claude, from installing the Meow MCP to submitting your application. First, let's connect Meow's MCP server to Claude. Open the Claude desktop app on your Mac. Click on your username and go to Settings. Then, go to Connectors. Here, click on the Add Custom Connector button. Enter the name as Meow, and paste this link in the remote MCP server URL field. Click the Add button to add the MCP. Next, you need to enable network egress to allow Claude to access the internet. To do that, click on Capabilities. Scroll down to the Code Execution and File Creation section, and enable the switch next to Allow Network Egress. Make sure the domain allow list is set to All Domains. Now, completely quit and restart Claude Desktop. When it relaunches, Claude will detect the new Meow MCP server. To verify, you can go to Customize and click on Connectors to see the list of tools from Meow that are now accessible to Claude. Now, the Meow MCP will work across both Claude Cowork and Claude Code. But for the account creation process, we're going to use Claude Cowork. That's because Cowork connects to your local files and folders and makes it easy to upload documents like your EIN letter, articles of incorporation, or driver's license. Click the Cowork tab at the top to move ahead. Now type the following prompt. Create a new business checking account on Meow. Claude will use the Meow MCP to kick off the onboarding flow. Behind the scenes, it's running Meow's guided setup, which returns step-by-step instructions on exactly what's needed. First, Claude will ask you if it should gather information from your previous interactions with Claude to pre-fill the application. You can allow it to make the process smoother. For now, let it ask you each piece of information directly. Claude will then ask which email to use for your Meow account, with your Anthropic account's email selected as the default. Send it the email you'd like associated with your Meow account. Meow uses passwordless authentication. They'll send a verification code to your email. Check your inbox, grab the code, and paste it back into the chat. Once verified, you're authenticated, and the onboarding continues. At this point, you can upload your business formation documents to autofill most of the application. Your AI agent will parse your files, extract the required information, and ask you only for the bits it couldn't find. For now, let's continue through the manual process. In the manual process, Claude will walk you through your business details. It will ask for things like your legal business name, business type, your EIN, state of incorporation, business address, and a brief industry or business description. Just answer each question as Claude asks. It handles the formatting and submission to Meow on your behalf. Next, Claude will ask for your personal details as the applicant. You'll need to provide your legal name, the purpose of the account, and answer a few due diligence questions if needed. Claude will then ask you to upload supporting documents, typically your EIN letter from the IRS, your articles of incorporation, and a government-issued photo, ID, like a driver's license for each signer. Because we're in Cowork, you can simply drag and drop the files into the chat. Cowork reads them directly from your file system and uploads them through the Meow MCP. Meow also needs to know about your role at the business. Claude will ask for details on each beneficial owner, which is anyone who owns 25% or more of the company, and any authorized signers on the account. For each person, you'll provide their full legal name, date of birth, residential address, and their title or role in the company. Throughout the process, Claude will keep sending data to the Meow servers to save your application progress. Finally, there are 2 steps that require your direct action. accepting the legal agreements and identity verification. Open the agreement link in a browser and accept it. Then, open the identity verification link in a browser and complete it. Meow uses Plaid for Know Your Customer verification. You'll also receive an email from Plaid with a secure link in case you want to complete this step later. Click it and follow the steps to verify your identity. This typically involves confirming your personal details and may include uploading a photo of your ID or a selfie. Once you've completed the Plaid KYC process, you'll need to come back to your cowork chat and let Claude know by sending something like, "I've completed the KYC verification." Claude will then finalize and submit your application. From there, Meow handles the rest, and your business checking account will typically be ready within 48 hours. And that's it. You just opened a business bank account without ever touching a form or a dashboard. But this is only the beginning. Once your Meow account is active, your AI agent can check balances and transactions in natural language, issue virtual and physical corporate cards, send ACH, wire, and USDC payments, create and manage invoices, monitor burn rate, run spend audits, and get a morning cash briefing, all from the convenience of your AI assistant. To get started, visit meow.com/MCP and connect your AI agent today.